got blindsided by Friese again. Just we got on tape, just coming around the corner and just fucking cleans me and cleans himself out for the main. Doesn't even finish the race. Like he's the biggest. He is such. There's not even enough names in the book to call this guy. He's a clown.
Well, that was Dean Wilson talking about his experience with Vince Friese in A1, which obviously carries over from WSX. And it was this, where he'd already, let's see this, Friese had already had the thing in 450 where he crossed the track and, caused multiple people to crash. And you can see here, the moment he comes to the lip of this jump, he is crossing the whole, from left to right, and just, no, there's no corner there. He's going right for the front wheel. It's just stupid. And you can see the moment he gets up, he just takes off his helmet and walks off the track. So I don't know if he hurt himself or who knows what it is. Who honestly really cares if he hurts himself? No, I don't. It's even worse for the team. 10 minutes into the season, yeah, you can see it right there. Takes off his helmet, unbuckles his helmet and just walks off. Doesn't do anything. So who knows if he hurt himself? I don't honestly care. If he does, it'd be better for the sport at this point. But 10 minutes into the season, and the MCR socials, whatever you want to call them, Instagram and everything, had to turn off their comment because they were already getting so much hate. Which, good. I mean, honestly, like if you keep employing this guy and you keep letting him cause these kind of stupid problems where he's looking for people's front wheels. He's not pushing people high. He's not, rubbing his racing. This is, I'm going to cut the corner, take somebody's front wheel out, and then just hope to continue. It makes no sense. Like at some point you just got to say, you're not doing anything racing. You're just looking to take people out. And it's, to me, I can't believe that, one, he hasn't been penalized. Two, that the team hasn't been like, what are you doing? Like, come on. We're paying you this money to go race and you're just taking people out, you're not getting good results. You're not finishing high. You're not doing anything that's like helping us as a team. And now you're just causing us bad PR over and over and over again, which I guess if they keep employing him, it's their own fault, but it's sad to see just, and you look on Twitter and you watch things and people are saying, oh, he's entertainment. And he's really not, because you're not watching him for like, oh, this is going to be a good race, or, oh, this is going to be a good battle. You're watching this, I mean, like, yeah, when's he going to take somebody out? Oh, there it is. Like, he did it in heat round, or 450 heat 1, car across the track and caused a couple people to crash. He did it at the start of the 450 main, where he caused, I think it was Roxon and Stewart to crash. I don't know what he did, but, he was involved in it. And then a couple laps later, he takes out Dean Wilson and just, it's not helping anything, and it's not good for the sport. It's just bad to me, in my opinion. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me, what do you think of him? Should he be banned, penalized, suspended, whatever it is? Because obviously this is, at this point, a recurring thing. This is a pattern. This isn't like once or twice. And, Barsha does this and he's going to get a 6-month ban or a 6-month probation or whatever, right? Anderson too at this point. But this guy gets to do it over and over again. The AMA just kind of looks away like, yeah, whatever. It's, yep, don't worry about it, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments below. Banned, suspended, team fired, whatever it is. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.